Okay guys, so I'm going to start this new series called The Video Ends. So we're going to watch some planet sounds. And if I get scared, and if I get weirded out, the video ends. Okay, I gotta say, let's do this. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna just find a video.
But at the same time, we have to recognize that as the pandemic ends, as we have this amazing parade honoring our frontline workers and our heroes from all walks of life, it is time to also go back to...
Yeah, I can't find any.
Look, some of the contracts I've been able to see, the mayor ordered N95 masks, not to be N95 masks. He ordered ventilators that never arrived.
Alright, let's do this.
But first,
We don't need this.
And I have every reason to believe that what will order the mayor to make sure that you abide by the city charter.
but this is actually what the ringed planet of Saturn sounds like. Saturn is a very large and amazing planet.
Okay, let's just get into it.
The ringed planet of terrifying sounds. As you heard, let's give it a listen.
I just cringed.